Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9 and 10, the honorable guardians and the viewers, welcome to my online class. Today I am here with you, Muhammad Taklim Akhtar, Assistant Teacher, Waruk Rahmani High School, Shahrasti Chandpur. How are you, dear learners? Hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by His mercy. Learners, now I am going to start a new class for you from your textbook. So, ready with your English textbook, pen, paper and necessary things. Learners, at first we will see some people in the pictures. Whom do you see in the pictures? First one is Swami Vivekananda, second Mother Teresa, and third Haji Muhammad Mohsin. Can you guess about them? They are well known as friends as to the poor and the needy. So learners, I hope you will guess what is our today's topic. Yes, our today's topic is love for humanity, Unit 7, Lesson 6. So, open at page 102, Unit 7, Lesson 6. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to say about Mother Teresa's missions for humanity, ask and answer questions, write statements, finding out true or false. Learners, at first we will know some key words from this topic. Promotion. It means, Bengali means Padonnoti, meanings support or encouragement of doing something. To salute. অভিবাদন করা, to pay homage to someone. Three, compassion. সমবেদনা বা সহানুভূতি. Its meaning, pity for the sufferings of others. Number 4, wrinkled. It means, Bengali meaning কুঞ্চিত বা ভাঁজ পড়া. Next meaning বা closest meaning, having or showing a small fold or a line in the skin due to age. Number 5, dying. Bengali meaning মরণাপন্ন বা মুমূর্ষ. Closest meaning, on the point death. Number 6, destitute. দুস্থ বা দুর্গত. Its meaning, without money, food and other things necessary for life. Number 7, survive. Bengali meaning অস্তিত্ব বা টিকে থাকা. Meaning, to continue to live or exist. Now, I will read out the text and you will listen to me attentively. Please listen to me attentively. Love for humanity. Mother Teresa was moved by the presence of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. She founded the Home for the Dying Destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. She and her fellow nuns gathered the dying people of the streets of Kolkata and brought them to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, men, women, and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families, or do we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that pursuit of humanity passes through the family. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world and she received a number of awards. These include the Pope John XXIII Peace Prize 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding 1972, the Baljan Prize 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize 1979, and the Bharat Ratna 1980. Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5th September 1997. The world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support irrespective of creed, caste and religion. Draped in a white and blue bordered sari, wrinkled face, ever soft eyes and a saintly smile is the picture of Mother Teresa in our mind. Learners, now write individual work. A. What do you think about Mother Teresa's achievement of many awards? B. What does Nirmal Hriday stand for? C. Why did Mother Teresa want the dying people to feel that they deserve care and love too? What did you learn from this topic? Write whether the statement are true or false. If false, give the correct answer. A. Mother Teresa will remain alive in our mind. Is it true or false? B. Mother Teresa had no compassion for humanity. Is it true or false? C. She had love for those who needed love and support irrespective of creed. D. She founded Home for the Poor. Is it true or false? E. Mother Teresa considered the people of her own family. Is it true or false? If false, give the correct answer. So, dear students, write down in your notebook. Dear students, now write the homework in your notebook. Do you know anyone in your locality who helps the needy and does so to make others happy? Do you know? Now write a paragraph about him or her. Learners, have you finished your writing? Okay. No more today. Next to meet you. Now it is time to say you goodbye. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.